There is a water shortage in our coastal regions, and it is increasing due to climate change. Nevertheless, there is a lot of precipitation in winter, but large quantities of precious fresh water are discharged to the sea. That is a huge waste of our most important resource. With the Fresh4C's project, we tackle this waste and provide alternative, sustainable water sources in coastal regions. Fresh4C's demonstrates 3 technological solutions: above-ground water storage with smart water management, underground water storage, and treating wastewater with a willow marsh. These solutions are extensively monitored and evaluated. We are also exploring innovative forms of collaboration and business cases to allow the technologies to be adopted more quickly. To this end, we are setting up 6 demo projects that provide alternative freshwater sources for agriculture, industry, nature, and drinking water production. In Suffolk, we are installing a pipeline network that will pump up excess water in winter to store it in storage reservoirs. In summer, the water can then be used for agricultural irrigation. The cooperation between farmers and the public sector partners is of great importance here. At the same location, we are also testing an installation for managed aquifer recharge and recovery. The water surplus from winter is infiltrated into the subsoil, and in periods of dry weather, some of that water can be pumped up again. We keep an extra eye on the water quality in this underground storage. In Belgium, in Kokzijde, we focus on a nature-based solution. There is already an installation that purifies wastewater to drinking water quality. This installation works through membrane purification. We purify the residual wastewater from those membranes with a willow marsh that largely filters out nutrients and heavy metals. The pruning waste from the willows can be used as biomass or soil improver. In Kwetzache, in Belgium, we store water through both above-ground storage and creek ridge infiltration. This means we raise the groundwater level in sandy soil bodies, so-called creek ridges. This enlarges the freshwater lens in the creek ridge, causing the lens to push the salt water down. At Brakmanzuid, in the Netherlands, we also apply creek ridge infiltration. But here we first conduct a feasibility and pilot study. Agriculture and industry cooperate to store excess water from the winter in the underground in order to use it during periods of scarcity. In Groningen, we work on a combination of above-ground water storage and creek ridge infiltration. We are conducting a feasibility study to reuse treated wastewater as irrigation water for local farmers. Water quality is hugely important here as well, to meet the regulatory requirements for creek ridge infiltration. Fresh4C's is a collaboration between 10 partners from the United Kingdom, the Netherlands and Belgium, with support from Interreg 2Cs, co-funded by ERDF.